myself Pavani. I am working as assistant professor in CSE AIML department at MLR Institute of Technology. Today I would like to give a session on natural language processing applications. In previous video, we discussed about natural language processing applications, applications. Here in this video, we discussed the first application, information extraction. It means what is the meaning of here information extraction? That means how we evaluate the information extraction by using the precision and recall matrices. Let's see the overview of the today's session. So coming to the first one, introduction about the information extraction and what is the difference between the IR and IE, information retrieval and information extraction, and components of the information extraction and evaluating the information extraction systems and metrics, that means precision and recall. How? By using precision recall, how you perform the information extraction accuracy. That means, let's see the next one, trade-off between the precision and recall. That means there is a difference between the precision and recall. Let's see one by one. So coming to the first one, here what is the definition of the information extraction? That means introduction to the information extraction. That means it is a process of extracting the specific and structured information from unstructured text. That means we are extracting the data from the unstructured text to the structured text. It identifies facts, entities, that means event from the text. That means by using IE, we can find out the entities, what the entities are there, means place, name, about, like this. We can find out that entities from the unstructured to structured. And next, we can find out the facts, that means truth of the sentences. So the result will be in the structured format like database or templates or some document. Let's see the example here. See the diagram. Albert Einstein is best known for developing the theory of the relativity. Let's see, this is a sentence. After extraction the sentence, we will get the result like this. Albert Einstein, that is the name, place or some entity. Here it is a name, right? Next, developed the theory of relativity. This is the extraction from these sentences. This is first one is the unstructured format. This is the structured format. Like this, we can get the information from the unstructured format to structured format. Let's see another example here. Here we are taking some one paragraph, right? Tata Tea, that means TTL, will sell its 30% stake in Energy Bands Incorporation to Coca-Cola Company for 1.2 billion, right? Here see this is a paragraph, like this paragraph we can extract, means we did not get any documents like related documents. We'll get the only extracted information only. Let's see here what is the event, some selling, right? Seller, what? Who is the seller? Tata Tea Ltd is the seller, right? Buyer means some Coca-Cola company. Some stake is 30%. Some sale value, some 1.2 billion. This information we'll get from the system, right? This is some simple example about the information, exactly what information extraction will do, right? Let's say second one. What is the difference between information extraction and information retrieval? That means we are retrieving, we are extracting. That means what is the difference, right? Let's see the one by one here. First one, information retrieval. What is the goal of the information retrieval? To retrieve the relevant documents from the database. So what is the goal of information extraction? It extracts the facts and text from the unstructured data to the structured data, right? So in the form of query, we are giving to the database. That means we are giving some queries like questions in the form of query to the system. We will get the relevant documents. In information IE, we will give text document or some PDF documents, whatever we can give, we can extract data from the database. That means here output, then in IR, we will get output in the form of documents or in a web page. That means front end page. In this IE, we will get the data in the form of structured data. That means entities, templates, like this. The example tool here using in IR is Google search. In IE we are using OpenIE or some SPACE, that means NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit is one of the tool, SPACE is one of the tool, NER is the Name Entity Recognition is the one of the tool to find out to get the IE, extracted information, that means exact information. Let's see by using user can interact with the IR using user driven search, and here automated fact extraction. The user can interact with the IE by using the automated fact extraction. Let's see the type in the form of full documents, in the form of some tables or database entities. That means entries. That means rows and columns. Let's see the another example here. Apple incorporates acquired Beats Electronics for $3 some billion in 2014. This is some sentence. The document will get is what the document will display. It will not display any documents, articles related to this sentence. It will display only the main points of the sentence. That means extract only the main points of the sentence. Here, what are the main points in the extraction, right? See the company name, some Apple. The amount is some $3. Some billion year is 2014. Like this, we can get the information. We will not get any document. We will get only the related information. What the information we will get is from the sentence. Let's see the components of information extraction, right? So, what is the first one here? Lexical and morphological parsing. That means, lexical means, we already discussed in previous class, lexical and morphological parsing. We have to follow some syntactical rules. See the here. First one, identify a single word. Means, here, we will perform the tokenization. That means, we are dividing the sentence into tokens. After tokenization, find out the category of that particular word. It is noun or verb or extra. That means, phrase. We have to find out the phrase by using lexical analysis. Identify the proper names. That means, adverb like this. Noun or pronoun like these proper names. Reduce to root form. That means, suppose running to run. It means, here we are performing the stemming and lemmatization. Next, see the second one, syntactic parsing module. Syntactic means we have to follow some basic rules, right? Identify the basic phrases. That means, phrase means here we have to identify the basic phrase of the structure. After identifying the basic phrase, we have to group the phrase to complex noun and verbs. That means we have to find out the grammatical relations among the words in a sentence. Then we will get the final summary. Let's see here, template generation module, right? In template generation module, we are creating some templates in the form of structure format to resolve the coherences. That means, suppose Raju, right here, Raju going to school by a bus, right? Here Raju going by bus, right? We are not repeating the name. By itself, we are using some he is going by bus. Like this, we can use instead of Raju, we are co-reference the some he, some Mr. X. This is about the resolve co-references. Next one, after finding all these sentences, we are merging the template to get the final summary. This is all about the components of the information extraction. First, logical and morphological parsing, then syntactic and parsing module, then template generation module. Then only we will get the final summary of the particular sentence. Let's see the example here. Here we are taking some paragraph. CSE Technology has launched in India 3 models of it: free agent, data movers, some free agent Go, free agent desktop and free agent pro. There are 3, right? Targeting the consumer segment. Let's see the extracted phrases. This is called as a phrase. This is called as another phrase. Another phrase. These are all the phrases, right? We are extracting the data in the form of phrases. So here the entity is what? Company. Company is what? The CSE Technology is the company, right? So verb group is has launched is the verb group, right? Location, where the location it is the entity is in location in India. See the here. Next, the product names are what? Free agent Go, free agent desktop, free agent pro. There are 3 types of products are there. This is the one type of entity, right? Next, target group. The target group is the consumer segment. Like this, we are dividing the phrases from the sentence. That means paragraph, right? Let's see here how we are evaluating the information extraction systems. Let's see the step by step. The first, the system scans that means tokenization. Of tokenization, we are dividing the sentences into words. It means tokens. After, identify the category of the word using lexical morphological parsing. We already discussed here, right? The components. We are merging all the components for evaluating the information extraction system. Here, identify the categories means we have to identify the entities. That means phrases. After find out the phrases, identify the relationship using syntactic parsing. That means we have to find the word-to-word relationship. Word-to-word relationship to find out the syntactic, using syntactic parsing, you have to find out the word-to-word relationships. Then, who did what, where it done, when it will done, right? Generate templates like this. After this, we can resolve the co-references. Then combine all the templates to get the final structure output, right? This is the meaning of that means how we are evaluating the information extraction systems. Let's see here we will done evaluation in two matrices. Those are precision and recall. So let's see, precision and recall are two main important evaluation measures used in information retrieval, natural language processing and machine learning for measuring the performance of systems like search engines and information extractions like this. By using the precision in recall, we can measure the accuracy of the particular application. Let's see the first one, recall. What is the purpose of here recall? It measures how much relevant information is retrieved, right? That means how much of information by using recall we can measure how much the relevant information is retrieved. This is a formula, right? Number of corrected slots filled by the system divided by total number of corrected slots in the text. This is a formula. We can apply by using this formula. We can apply the how much relevant data we retrieved, right? Let's see second one, precision. What is the here meaning of the precision? By using a precision, we can measure how accurate the system is. Here, how much relevant data is retrieved in recall. In precision, we retrieve, that means how much the system is accurate. That means we can get the accurate result about by using precision of this. Next, see the formula here. P. That means we can write precision in P. That means denoted by the P. P equal to correct, that means number of correct slots filled by a system divided by total number of slots filled by the system. This is the formula to calculate the precision. Let's see the example here. Here we are taking one sentence. Google is hiring a software engineering in Bangalore. The salary is 12 lakhs per annum. The job requires Python, SQL and machine learning skills, right? This is a sentence, right? This information tells about some name, entity and some location, some company, some package, some job details, right? Skills about the job. This is the information, some sentence we are taking, right? Let's find out the precision and recall. See, actual sentence contains some fields, right? That means entities, company, some job title, some location, some salary, some skills. We are discussed right here. Let's see here. What is the company name here? Google, right? Here the company name is Google. And next, job title is some software engineer. Let's see. Next, another one. Location is here, some Bangalore, right? What are the information we are taking from? That only will get some correct, accurate information. Here the user only take the information, right? Here some salary 12 lakhs per annum. And next skills are Python, SQL and machine learning. There are skills we are taking the sentence, right? See, after extracting the user information, the system will generate the extracted output, right? That means the system will generate the extracted output. See here, system generate the extract output. Let's see the fields are some company, job title, location, salary, skills, some experience. The system will by default take these fields, right? Based on the previous sentence we are taking, right? This sentence. So see here the company name is Google, right? So this one is correct. The job title is some software engineer, this is also right. The location is, here the user will give the required location is some Bangalore. So it is not incorrect, right? Some salary is 12 lakhs per annum. This is the correct. So skills are some Python, Java. But the user take only Python, SQL, ML, right? So this is also partially correct, incorrect, right? So experience is, there is no, here we are not mentioning any experience, right? Here that it takes the, some system takes the some 2 years experience. That means it by default system extracting the information like this. So after when we already discussed this point, right? The system will extract the information. The user evaluation is compulsory needed. Then only we will get the exact output. So the system attended the 6 slots, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the user attended the 6 slots. But in this system extracted contains only 3 are correct, right? Company, job title and salary. So only 3 fields are corrected. That means there is a match between the user and system is only 3. Let's find out the some precision and recall. See here correct and incorrect. Let's see the company, job title, salary are the some correct one. Remaining all are the some location, skills, experience are the wrong. Let's find out the recall. So what is the formula for recall? Number of correct slots filled by the system. That means how many slots the system is filled, right? 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the number of correct slots filled by the system is 3. Next, by total number of correct slots in a text. In a text, how many slots are there? In a text, how many slots are there? The correct slots are only 5. Here automatically takes the 6, right? 6 experience, it takes the experience. So company, job title, location, salary are the some 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The user, that means the correct slots are 5. Correct slots filled by the system is 3. The system takes the how many slots? Here 6 slots. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can calculate the recall. 3 by 5 is equal to some 0 points. That means 60% is the information is correct, right? Remaining 40% this is partially incorrect. Let's find out the precision. So what is the formula for precision? Correct slot, that means number of correct slots filled by the system. That means how many slots the system is filled, right? Only 3 slots the system is filled correct. Company and job title and salary. These are the 3 slots the system is filled, right? Remaining all partially incorrect. So by total number of slots filled by the system. Here see how many slots the system will filled, right? 6, right? So we are taking the 6. But in recall we are taking the user filled slots. But in precision we are taking the some system filled slots. That is 6. That is 3 by 6, 0.5. That is 50%. It is by correct, right? This is the evaluation matrix for the precision in recall in information extraction system. Here see the trade-off between the precision and recall. That means we are combining the precision in recall, but it increasing one way and decreasing another way. That means there is usually trade-off between precision and recall, increasing one way and decreasing the other way. See one by one here. We are taking here one example, right? If a system retrieve only accurate results, the precision is very high, but it may miss some relevant data. When we will get the some relevant data, that is a low recall. Suppose if the system is retrieve all possible results, it is a high recall, but we include incorrect results, it is a low precision. That means whenever we get the accurate result, that is a high precision. That means we are not getting incorrect results, that is a low precision. That means we are missing some any relevant data, that is a low recall. That means we are not missing any relevant data, that means we are getting any exact result, that is a high recall. This is all about the trade-off between the precision and recall. Let's find out the F score. F score, that means we are here to balance the precision and recall. We are using the some F measure. That means we are combining the precision and recall. Then we'll get the F measure. Here the formula is F equal to beta square plus 1 into precision and recall by beta square into precision plus R. This is the formula for to calculate the F score, right? So here we already discussed, right? P means precision, R means recall, beta means some weight parameter. That means how much the weight we are calculating by using the precision and recall. Depends on the beta. Suppose beta equal, that means equivalent performance. That means we are giving the precision recall to the equal importance. That means whenever the beta is equivalent to 1, we are giving equal importance to the precision recall. Whenever beta is some greater than or equal to 1, we are getting the more weight to the some recall. We are less than or equal to 1, we are getting the more weight to some precision. This is all about the formula explanation, right? And go to the real-time scenario here. Here we are taking the some real-time scenario, information extraction from a job posting. That means we are getting the information extraction from the some like job posting. Let us assume your system, that means here we are assuming the information system is supposed to extract the following fields from the job description. That means we are getting the some information extraction from the job description in the form of the fields. The fields are some job post and company name, job title and location and salary of the job and skills, what the skills required to get the job and experience, right? Experience or the how many experience we need, right? This is the, we are taking here some 6 fields, right? The user taking the some 6 fields. We are not taking any sentences, just blindly we are taking the some information from job posting regarding job posting. Some fields we are taking. So how many fields we are taking here? 6 fields we are taking, right? Let's see the step-by-step procedure. First count the, here see, what the information will extract from the system is, see this table, company name, job title, location, salary, experience, age limit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 fields are there. We'll get the information from system, right? Suppose we are getting information, some company name is correct and job title is correct, some location is wrong. Suppose we are taking some Hyderabad, it displays some Bangalore or like some Kerala, like this. We can display, the system will display partially incorrect location, then salary is correct, suppose experience is correct, right? In previous example we are taking, right? Age limit is, suppose we are giving suppose some 25 to 30, but it takes 35 to some 40, right? So this is the partial incorrect information, right? So total, see, based on this table we are taking these fields, right? So the correct fields are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many fields are there? 6. Total 6 fields are there. The corrected fields are suppose 4. Let's see, actual correct field in total 6. So both are same. The user also giving the 6 fields, the system also giving the 6 fields. But in previous example, the user giving the 5, the system gives the 6. It depends on the some content, right? Here, the total extracted by system is some 6. The actual content is some 6, right? The correct sentences are, that means the correct fields are 4. Let's find out the precision and recall first. Let's note down here. Total user get is 6. Total system is 6. The corrected one are like 4. Let us take, then only we will get the precision and recall. So see here, find out the step 2. After counting the data, that means after counting the fields, we have to calculate the precision and recall. The first one, precision, that means what is the formula for precision? Correct fields extracted divided, that means number of correct fields extracted divided by total fields extracted by the system. That means how many correct fields are there? 4. That means 4. Here total number of extracted by system is, by system, see here, by system is 6. That is 0.667. So next find out the recall. What is the recall formula? Number of correct field extracted divided by total number of actual fields. So total number of actual fields are some, that means user fields are some 6. Corrected fields are extracted are 4. That means 4 by 6, that is 0.67. Right? So after finding the precision and recall, we have to find out the F1 score. That means F1 equal to some beta square into P into R. It means precision and recall divided by some beta square. That means 2 here beta square into some P plus R. That is a formula. Right? That means beta square here means 1. That is equivalent to precision and recall. Let's see, find out the here F1 some 2 into some, what is the precision value? 0.667 into recall value some 0.667 divided by here beta square means here we are taking beta equal to 1. That means because precision and recall both are equal, that means he satisfy this condition, right? First condition. That means precision and recall equal, right? When then beta is equivalent to 1. Here beta means 1. Into P plus R, that means 0.6 P plus 1 precision plus recall 0.67 plus 0.67, that is equivalent to some value, right? 0. Something divided by some 1.3. Then you will get the result. After final result is, this will get the accurate result. This is all about the information extraction. That means information extraction is the one of the NLP application, very important one. So in today's session we discussed about the information extraction and what is the difference between IR and IE, information retrieval and information extraction, the components of the IE, and evaluation, how we are evaluating the information extraction by using the matrices, precision and recall, and what is the between the trade-off between the precision and recall to find out the F1 score. By merging the precision and recall, we will get the F1 score. This is the today's session. Thank you.